Awesome.
Hell yeah. Culinary turn. There you
Oh, this is an awesome view.
You can do, but that is okay too. I need you to remember the screaming and breathing. You got it.
Woo! It's supposed to be crazy on a really windy day.
There you go. It's not too bad, right?
No, I love it.
We just went 100 miles an hour. Got 3
Yeah, I've done one very similar in Tennessee, but it wasn't over a cliff. It was just on a tower off of like a road.
Very cool.
This one's a lot better because
And we do get animals all through this canyon. So every once in a while you'll see bears walking around, plenty of deer, all that good stuff, hikers sometimes. Have you been skydiving yet? Does
Yeah.
that count as a ride?
never counts a ride, but still thrills.
Very cool. Where'd you skydive?
In Massachusetts, just near home.
Very cool.
What's the max wind you guys can run this thing in?
So 10 miles an hour is when we take a pause up here and we'll sit in the chair for a little bit. And it has to be under 10 miles an hour for us to be able to do the ride. And then if it hits over 20 miles an hour, we totally take a break.
Gotcha.
Because all of this is up to the operator. So if it's way too windy, all these rocks, they are not as bouncy as they might look. They're not very soft. We don't want anybody to go up and give them a hug. But most of the time the winds are pretty good with us. Lightning Eagle shut us down.
Yeah, I know that was a
Super
problem
cold.
earlier.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're driving down Pikes Peak and just hitting hail the whole way
Oh
down.
man. It was hailing up there?
Yep.
Horrible. Okay. That's cool though. Did you go all the way to the top?
Yep.
Did you try out the donuts?
They were okay.
They're okay. Did you try to bring any down? No.
No.
Did they tell you about those?
No.
So they're super high altitude specialty recipe. I believe they're the highest or the second highest in the world, something like that.
Mhm.
But if you try to bring them down, they'll flatten out into pancakes.
Oh.
Like they'll totally dissolve almost. So you have to eat them up there.
We were hungry, so we ate them right away.
There you go.
Welcome almost back, you two. How was it down there?
Awesome. Great view.
Good, I'm glad. Came out a beautiful time. It's finally all nice and green again.
You guys saw we had the hail coming down Pikes Peak earlier.
Oh my gosh! I was worried it was going to start hailing here once it dropped.
Oh yeah.
Cool. So you did actually make it all the way up to the top?
Yep.
Heck yeah. I've been hearing people have been getting stuck around 10,000, so.
Yeah, we went nice and early before the weather got iffy.
Heck yeah.